Welcome to today's Tech Bite. Today we're going to be looking at how to make changes to your construction method within a job and save those changes permanently without having to leave the job. Of course, you're used to, at this point, making changes to the construction method by coming to the splash screen, going into the assembly wizard, and making changes here as to whatever you want. But you always have to leave a job. We don't have to do that anymore within Solid. So let me show you how this happens. I'm just simply selecting the face frame. The construction method does not matter. It can be any of them or all of them. I'm doing a very simple explanation today just to get the point across to you. So let me place this cabinet on the wall and take it into the section editor. I'm going to default it out. If you'll notice, my top rail is 4 inches. Let's say that I get into a job and I start laying out the face frames, and then I notice this 4 inches and I say, wait a minute, that's wrong. This should only be 3 inches on my upper cabinets. Instead of having to leave this job and make that change, I can go to Room, Cabinet. I'm going to modify this construction method, and let's find the top rail for my upper cabinets. Instead of 4, I'm going to change this to 3, and then I'm done. Now at this point, instead of saying OK, stop and look at this option, Save as System Construction. If I click here, I have 2 choices. I can replace the existing construction method, which we are going to do today, or I could add a new one. If I add a new one, I simply give it a name, and it's going to be an exact copy of the face frame plus whatever changes we have made. But for right now, I'm just going to replace the existing construction method. Is it okay to overwrite this? I say yes, and it says that it was successfully saved. So at this point, what I'm going to do is to illustrate that it changed it permanently. I'm going to start a new job. I'm not going to save any changes. Our face frame is chosen again. Let's place an upper cabinet on the wall and take it into the editor. And let's look, and we see this time we are at 3 inches. So that proves that the change that we made within the job is a permanent change, and it's going to affect all future jobs. So that's an easy way. It's a great feature if you need to make changes on the fly that you decide you need on a permanent basis. And again, the 2 options were to replace the existing construction method with those changes, or leave the existing construction method alone and create a new one which has those changes in there. I think you're going to find this is a very useful tool. This completes today's training movie. I would like to remind you of your training options. The help files are available within each Cabinet Vision product. The eSupport technical website is a great resource for questions and answers and features a technician-monitored forum. Regional training classes are available, so please contact your customer service representative for the classes in your area. If you would like someone to come on-site to your location and train your team, this can be arranged. Online training is a very convenient method for training over the internet. The e-learning training series is a series of topics which you can purchase online and download for immediate use. If you have questions about this or anything else, please go to our website, cabinetvision.com. We look forward to you joining us next time. Thank you for watching.